So we've had some requests on how we do our filter hack on the AC filter. And it's buried in our video, which was the...
How much we spent in July of 2024.
Yes, how much it cost us to RV for the month of July. It was buried in there. So I dug that out, and then we added a little bit more. We actually are gonna take you and go to Lowe's and show you what we bought and what we used.
So essentially we're bringing you back to an oldie but goodie and most requested video.
Yep.
Partial.
Yes. All right, let's do it. We thought that we would bring you to Lowe's and actually show you what we bought and how to do the filters on the cheap. You ready to go inside?
I'm all about saving some money.
Yeah, let's go save some money.
Yeah, let's do it.
So we found the problem aisle and we're going to show you the filters that we buy.
Yep.
These are the soupy fancy ones, the ones that have the things on them. We need them flat. This is where Jackie gets them right here.
They're usually on the bottom shelf.
On the bottom.
On the floor.
20 by 25 by 1.
Yep.
That's what she goes off of. And they are $5.97 for 2. And how many do you usually get out of this?
We get 3 cutouts on each one, so 6 per 2-pack.
Cool. Alright, we found the other part that you need. It's the screen and storm door grill.
And we found it on the door and screen aisle of Lowe's.
Yes.
And again, on the bottom shelf.
On the bottom shelf.
Yep.
That's where it was. And it is how much? I think slide it all the way in.
And $40.
$40. That's all you need. One-time purchase, put those in, right?
Saving you money.
Yep. I thought we were going in just to video something, just to get a little video and show you guys what we save money, how we save money, and what do we get? Jackie found another Texas shirt. It's really pretty though. I like it.
You can never have enough Texan.
That's right. Saving money. That's one of the things that we've been trying to do. One of the big things we did is we installed. We took the front fascia or the top fascia off of our AC units, and I put a grill, a black mesh grill, which is really just it's a screen door that we cut up, and I made templates and we put them in there because those foam filters that came with the Brinkley are super expensive and they don't last very long.
And they're like rinse, dry, repeat kind of a thing, and I just rather throw them away.
Yeah, and right here I'll show you a short video of Jackie making up these filters. What you doing?
Making RV filters for our AC unit.
Oh, this is something that this is like her specialty. We found out that to replace those filters in our RVs, it's like...
They're expensive.
They're very expensive. And and they're foam and they're crap.
Yep.
First time or a couple times you rinse them out. So we
got these at Lowe's. They come in a 2-pack for about $6. And I trace out a template on cardboard that comes straight from our AC unit grill.
What I just showed y'all where we put the mesh.
And this side up. And then I trace them out. And then I cut them out. And we have 3 AC units, so we have 4 of these things, so that'll take care of us pretty much all year. So we won't have to do this again until next year, hopefully. And I put this side up because, as you can see, the arrows, the direction of airflow is that way. So when we put the filter in, you make sure this side is up.
That dummy proofs it for Ross. I just read up and I put that up. And that's all I do. So this saves us, how much do we pay on these?
We spent, so we got a 2-pack for $6. A 2-pack for $6, and we bought 2 packs, so that was $12 altogether.
$12 filters for a year.
For a year.
Yeah, and sometimes if we're in an environment, we check them.
Yeah, we check them on occasion to make sure that they're not overly dirty. And if they are overly dirty, we'll just throw them away. So the ones that the units come with are reusable. You wash them, you kind of do what you can, but better safe than sorry. Just throw them away.
Thanks for saving us money, hon. I appreciate it. She had one other thing she wanted to add.
So we have experimented with other filter systems like this, and so we got the cheap green ones. They kind of look like Easter grass that you put in an Easter basket.
From Home Depot, I think.
And they're at Home Depot. We got these at Lowe's. But the green ones we got, you can get them anywhere. They are not
cut friendly.
They just shred and make a mess. Once you cut into them, they're awful. As you can see, these have like a sheen plastic grid thing. So when you cut it, it stays all together and they don't shred up like those green ones do.
The other thing you have to be careful about is when you're drawing on these.
Oh.
Do not draw.
Do not draw on the table.
On the countertop. You got to be careful.
So
but look, you can see the difference in the dirt in this one.
This is a new
and
one.
That's a clean one. And it's cheap, like 13 bucks. You can, you know, change them however much you want to change them.
Oh, it's okay. We're in the garage. Ross is up on a ladder taking this one down. And if you can see, man, even that white grate is very gross. So we're going to wash that.
Look at this one.
Ew.
Yeah, it's pretty dirty.
Ew. Yeah.
But I'll hand you both of these. And you can see all I did was remove these screws. There's 6 screws. You remove those 6 screws, and I just cut that little door grate out, and I threw it right in there, and that holds your filter in place. Keeps it from getting sucked up in there. Actually does a quick clean on that, and then we'll throw a new filter in there and show you how it looks. You can also see that you get a little dust on this. We have to keep it in dump mode because we keep the bed up all the time. So the vents don't really work for us. But you can get up here and dust this off, kind of clean it up, make it a little better. They're pretty yucky. Alright. Here's our screen. Jackie's got it all clean, and then we take their filter material. See how it says up? Just like she draws on there. And we go put it right here behind these little teeth, and then I will snap it in place. And then that fits right there. That's it.
Easy peasy.
New filters in place. I hope that this video helps. Just know that we have the full height GE ACs. We don't have the low profiles. But from what I've seen, Don Archer sent me a photo of his on the inside, and they appear to be the same exact fascia and filter system. So it should work. If you have any questions or comments, or you know of a better filter material or anything, please let us know. We'll pass it on. Got anything else?
Nope. But as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yep. Helps us out.
Yes, and we'll see you
In the next video. Bye.